കംപ്രസ് ചെയ്യും.
കംപ്രസ് ചെയ്ത് തരുന്ന ഒരു ഇമേജാണ്.
അപ്പൊ അബ്ദുവിന്റെ ഗോപ്രോനെ കുറിച്ച് പറഞ്ഞില്ലല്ലോ. ഇതാണോ ഗോപ്രോ?
എന്റേത് ഗോപ്രോ അല്ല,
ഐ മീൻ
Insta360 ആണ്.
അത് എടുത്തോണോ കയ്യില്? ഇത്
3 ബാറ്ററി ഡ്രോൺ
ഉണ്ട്. അത് എത്ര 1000 പുതിയത് വാങ്ങിയതായിരുന്നോ?
ഞാൻ എന്റെ ഡ്രോണും പാക്കേജ് എല്ലാം മൊത്തം
അപ്പൊ പിന്നെ അപ്പൊ നിനക്ക് ഇപ്പൊ എയർപോർട്ട് ക്രോസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ?
എനിക്ക് ഓരോ അതോറിറ്റിയിൽ നിന്നും ഓരോ ക്ലിയറൻസ് ലെറ്റർ മേടിക്കണം. മാസ്റ്റർ
ഇപ്പൊ നിനക്കിത് നാട്ടിൽ കൊണ്ടുപോകണമെങ്കിലോ?
നാട്ടിൽ കൊണ്ടുപോകാനൊക്കെ പറ്റും. നാട്ടിൽ എനിക്ക് അവിടെ ഫ്രീ ആയിട്ട് ഫ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാം. വലിയ സീനില്ല. എയർപോർട്ടിന്റെ അടുത്ത് മാത്രം ഫ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല. ബാക്കി നാട്ടില് ഇവിടത്തെ പോലെ പ്രശ്നമില്ല. ഇവിടെയാണ് എൻ്റെ അറിവിൽ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ സോണ്, എൻഹാൻസ് ബോണിംഗ് സോണൊക്കെ ഇവിടെ കൂടുതലും. നാട്ടിൽ അത്ര പോലും ഇല്ല. നാട്ടിൽ ഏത് സ്ഥലത്താണെങ്കിൽ എനിക്ക് എൻ്റെ ഒരു അറിവിൽ പറത്തണം ഡ്രോണിന്റെ കണക്ക്.
ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മള് കെന്നഡി പാർക്കിൽ നിന്ന് ഇങ്ങനെ പറത്തണം എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കും. ലൈസൻസ്
അവിടെ നമ്മൾ ആദ്യമേ മാപ്പിൽ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യണം ഫ്ലൈ സോൺ ആണോ അല്ലേ.
ഇല്ല അപ്പൊ അവിടെ നിന്ന് ഇറങ്ങും നോക്കാം.
അത്ര തണുപ്പില്ല. 10 എന്തോ. What's the weather like today? Niagara.
16 Fahrenheit അല്ലല്ലോ.
What is the weather? Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri.
ഡി പെണ്ണേ.
Siri.
What is the climate like in Niagara?
It's currently clear and 13 degrees
Sunday
in the
night.
United States.
യുണൈറ്റഡ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ്സ്.
മാഷാഅല്ലാഹ് കനഡിയൻ ആക്സന്റ് ആണ്. ആക്സന്റ്.
അപ്പം now for the English viewers we can speak in English. Now let's start with Mr. Ansar.
Hi, my name is Ansar Ali.
Eh? I am his son.
My name
is Ansar Ali.
Okay.
My name is Ansar Ali.
Okay, Ansar. So
Basically, I love to speak English language.
Yeah.
I mean, for me, like a few years back, I want to learn because for me, I really like to communicate English language. So I want to practice English language through interact with the foreigners. So I live in Trivandrum. In Trivandrum, there is a place called Kovalam Beach. In there are a lot of foreigners came there. So I got an opportunity to interact with those people, and I start to speak English language. So when I was young, I thought all white people, all white guys they can speak like what I'm saying. They speak English their official language English. Then after some time, I realized that for example, France, Germany, Uruguay, these countries, they have own official language.
okay. Let him enjoy in his own way. No problem. Let him enjoy in his own way. So you know that basic tip
it's not for showing off. The main thing is that the Kerala people, major thing is they're always concerned about mistakes. And secondly, I realized that they have low confidence. Confidence is the key factor. Confidence is the key factor because basically they can. So if you want to speak English language, we should be confident. Yeah, I know that there are some mistakes should become like our native language is not English, right? So in 2023, the studies shows that especially Kerala guys, they are really concerned about to speak English, especially with the native speakers. For example, if you are a Kerala guy, in front of Kerala people, he or she can worried. So it makes like they consider about mistakes. At the same time, they can speak with other guys. You understand?
Yeah. When we speak with a Mallo guy, we always concerned about
mistakes because he always targeting mistakes. You understand?
The thing which we care, we try to translate it in Malayalam, but when we speak with some native speaker, we don't care what he is saying.
Because they just understand what he's saying. That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Communication is just for it's a medium of translation. Medium of just exchange of language. Just understand it. It's a two-way process. Just understand other guy. That's it.
you know, in my last interview,
Yeah.
The people like here the interview, it's like you know what we see in the internet, like you know, they will ask what's your weakness, so and so things. So one question they asked me, what's my strength? I can say my strength, right? But when they ask for the weakness, it's like what we say, like we are saying our negative factor, right? So the thing which I said, see, my English communication might not be good, you know,
But this is good, perfect,
because
my friend.
because my profession is accountant, right?
Yeah.
So they are hiring for accountant, and it's not that important like English skill. Okay, so you can continue. Now let's.
And also one more thing I want to tell you that I'm really proud of my friends. Luckily, I got an opportunity to interact with my brilliant friends. Seriously brilliant friends. Because in my school days, I studied three schools. So one is the extra brilliant guys. Because all of guys, I mean, my friends are like one guy was, most of the guys are CAs, chartered accountants, and they can speak. I mean, so CA at the same time, their English also really good, massive. So what I'm thinking about that, if you want to improve our language, we should practice. We should, what I'm saying, try to practice English language and try to speak with your friends, and also interact with just speak with in front of mirror. And secondly, I want to say that read books. If you want, read books and read books in it loud. You understand? So. Why I'm speaking in loud? Because if you speak in loud, then we can getting vocabularies. You understand? And also increase our self-confidence. So yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah, do you remember your IELTS exam? You know how much you scored?
Yeah,
and
my IELTS scores is like overall 6.5.
Yeah, that's a good one. No.
And
ആർക്കെങ്കിലും വേണം, എല്ലാവരും ഇതാക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ചെയ്യാം.
And I'm proud of it. My English, my speaking is 7.5.
Okay.
But I know that my speaking is like, I'm not say that my speaking is that much good. But I'm okay with that. Understand?
Okay. Okay. So in IELTS exam, what was the toughest task?
It depends upon person to person.
But
some guys are, for me, it's reading is it's very difficult for me. Anyway, I can score 6, but it's okay. But reading, I don't like reading. But for me, speaking is, I like speaking. So speaking, I got 7.5. The rest I got 6.5. Each of it 6.5.
Okay. Bubble tea in the
You know, some guys are try to speak like especially when someone who comes to Canada and try to speak like native speaker. Anyway, that's good, but I'm not opposite. I'm not against with those guys. So if you want to speak that way and interacting with the foreigner, I mean the native speakers, I believe we should be we also like to speak in their manner, right? What do you think? And especially we live in Toronto. In Toronto, like,
you know, some people, the native people, they say like, you know, Toronto. They say Toronto, not Toronto.
Yeah.
Okay then.
Bye guys.
Bye bye.